In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Capital One app not working. We've all been there, ready to check our account or make a payment, and suddenly the app just won't cooperate. No worries, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get it back up and running. First things first, let's check for any app updates. Head over to your device's app store and see if there are any updates available for the Capital One mobile app. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues you might be experiencing. Once you've installed any available updates, try opening the app again to see if this resolves the problem. Now let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Whether you're connected via Wi-Fi or using mobile data, a weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from functioning properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference, or simply restart your router if you suspect an issue with your Wi-Fi. If the issue persists, try force closing the app. Simply exit the app and make sure it's not running in the background. On most devices, you can do this by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping away the app. After you've closed it, reopen the app to check if it's now working as expected. Additionally, restarting your device can help resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting the app's performance. Still having trouble? Consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This step can often resolve software conflicts or corrupted files that might be causing the app to malfunction. After reinstalling, log back in and see if the issue is resolved. On some devices, clearing the app cache can also be beneficial. This clears any stored data that might be causing issues without affecting your login information. If none of these steps have worked, it's possible that Capital One is experiencing a server outage. In this case, there's not much to do except wait for them to resolve the issue on their end. As a workaround, you can try logging in through the Capital One website to access your account. And that's how to fix the Capital One app not working. With these steps, you should be able to resolve most common issues and get back to managing your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.